Just like the rest of the world, I am currently obsessed with Chappell Roan and everything that she does. I really just want to be her friend. So of course I had to make a soap. So this is my Pink Peony Club handmade soap. It smells like wildflowers and peonies, and it's pink and girly, and I love it. These are soap dough peonies. Check out a previous video I posted if you want to see how I made them. We're saying a little prayer before I chop this loaf because look how gorgeous it is. But it turned out so well. Those first couple slices out of the loaf are so satisfying. I still get butterflies. Okay, take one last look at this beauty before we chop it up into bars. Here we go. The base I use for this soap is a mixture of olive, sustainable palm, castor, and coconut oil. I find I get great colors with this recipe. I can do all my techniques. I've tried substituting rice bran oil for olive oil because olive oil is crazy expensive, but it wasn't the same. Okay, so I know I'm gonna get a couple comments saying, how could you chop up the top? It was so beautiful. So I've got some extra peony soap dough embeds ready, and I'm just gonna stick one on the side here, just so everybody gets a full peony too. And then I've cleaned up the bars and I'm stamping in my logos, and then I also stamp in a soap molecule into every bar, and then this one gets an extra stamp. Obsessed.